In this video, we're going to learn about simplifying algebraic expressions using the distributive law or property. Now sometimes you might have an algebraic expression with terms that look something like this. We have 5 times, in parentheses, 3y minus 2, and then the next term is negative 3 times, in parentheses, 2 plus 5y. Now you can't combine these terms because they're in parentheses. To simplify the expressions like this one, you're going to follow 2 steps. First, use the distributive property or law to get rid of the parentheses. And then you're going to combine like terms. Now what the distributive law does is it relates the operations of multiplication and of division. And it says that any value that is multiplied by 2 values that are added together is the same as if it was multiplied by each value separately and then added. So one way to represent the distributive law is A times B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. In our example, we're going to simplify with the distributive law starting at the left. So to distribute 5, we're going to multiply it by each of the values that are added in parentheses. So 5 times 3y is 15y, and 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Now we go on to the next term, and to distribute negative 3, we're going to multiply it by each of the values in parentheses. So negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, and negative 3 times 5y is negative 15y. So the next step is to find and combine the like terms. And we're going to start by reordering the expression so the like terms are beside each other. So we have 15y minus 15y minus 10 minus 6. So now we can combine the terms. Plus 15y and minus 15y cancel out because there aren't any y's left. Minus 10 minus 6 is minus 16. So the given expression simplifies to minus 16. Let's see one more example. And again, we're going to use a distributive property to get rid of parentheses and then combine like terms to simplify the expression. So we're given the expression negative 5 times, and then in parentheses, a plus b minus, in parentheses, 3a minus 2b. So we're going to start by simplifying with the distributive property beginning at the left. To distribute negative 5, we're going to multiply it by each of the terms in parentheses. So negative 5 times a is negative 5a, and negative 5 times b is negative 5b. Now we're going to go on to the next term. And you can see here that we don't have a coefficient outside the parentheses. There's just a negative sign. And what that means is that the coefficient is negative 1. So we're going to multiply negative 1 by each of the values in parentheses to get rid of the parentheses. So negative 1 times 3a is negative 3a. And negative 1 times negative 2b is positive 2b. Now we can find and combine the like terms. And to start, we're going to reorder the expression so like terms are beside each other. So negative 5a and negative 3a and negative 5b and positive 2b are like terms because they have the same variable and the same power. Now to combine the terms, negative 5a and negative 3a is as negative 8a, and negative 5b plus 2b is negative 3b. So this whole expression here simplifies to negative 8a minus 3b.